Hello. In this tutorial we will explain what are word labels, why they're valuable, and how to set them up, using PDF index generator software. Word labels is a convenient feature that allows you to set a colored label for one or more index terms in Step 3 results table, as a way of grouping those terms together. There are several reasons why you might find word labels useful. Let's consider an example to illustrate their usefulness. We are now in Step 3 of the program. We have hundreds of index terms in the results table, as you can see here. Suppose we need to make adjustments to all names here. We could simply select them one by one, then apply the changes on them. But what if we want to close the project, reopen it some other time, and make some other changes to the same names once again? In that case, using word labels would be very helpful. We will show you now how to do that. Select the names you wish to group, using the word label in the results table. Right-click on any of the selected names and choose the word label option. Let's create a new word label by selecting Manage Labels. This will open the program settings, allowing us to add or modify word labels. Click Add to add a new word label. Let's name it Names Word Label. It automatically sets a random color for this label, but we will modify it and choose a yellow color instead. We can also assign a keyboard shortcut for this word label, to easily apply it, for the selected terms in the results table, if we press that shortcut on the keyboard. Let's set the shortcut for our word label to Shift+5. Save the new label and return to Step 3. Right-click on the selected names again. Select Word Label, and choose the newly created label, the Names Word Label. Now, all selected words are marked with a yellow label in their ID field, making them easily identifiable. When we save the project, all the word labels associated with those terms will also be saved. If we close the project and reopen it later, the word labels will be loaded as well, enabling us to make changes to those specific terms. Let's say we want to reverse the order of all these names, so a name like Abby Boyd should become Boyd, Abby. To do that, click the Filters button. Filter the table by word label. Select the Names Word Label. Now the results table will display the words that have this label, only. We can now simply highlight all those words by clicking Ctrl+A on our keyboard, then apply the change. Click the Format button. And select Deal as a Name Format to. All the names are now reversed, as you can see. In essence, word labels simplify the grouping of words, enabling you to make changes easily whenever needed, so be sure to use this nice feature. That's the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching.